everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Silver the Hedgehog, Anti-Venom, and the MUTO all combined in one. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off, let's begin with Anti-Venom. We're going to begin right here at the face. I'm going to start by making a little line that's going to go down and it's going to come back like a check mark. We'll leave a little bit of space and we'll do that same thing. We're just going to go in and then we're going to come out like a check mark. We'll draw a line that's going to come down and up. And one here, we're just going to go down and then up. And we're going to bring these lines up a little bit. Out here, we're going to make lines going to come down and in. And then one here, we're going to go down and in. And then we're going to make some pointed little lines here for some teeth. We're going to draw two lines that come down. And we're going to make some more little pointed lines here. We're going to make a line that comes down on each side. We're going to make a little line that's going to come down, over, and then we're going to bring it up for the jaw. Next, we're going to draw a line that's going to come up. It's going to curve around, and then it's going to come down here. We'll put a couple little lines right here. Starting here, let's go out on each side for the back. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come out just a little bit, and I'm going to curve one around for the shoulder. Kind of do that same thing, we're just going to go out, curve it around just a little bit for the shoulder. Next, we're going to bring this back, and then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come back here. We're going to go up and down. Then we're going to draw a line here. Next, we're going to bring this line in. Make a line that's going to come down, come up to a point, and then back. Then right here, we're going to bring this line up. We're going to come down to a point, and we're going to bring it up and down. Do another one here, and then one more here. Then we're going to curve a line here. We'll bring this line up and down. We're going to bring a line up for the bicep. Then we're going to bring this line down here for the arm. We're going to bring a line down to a point and back. We're going to bring a line over here for one of the fingers and up. We're going to bring one down to a point and up. Then we're going to put one here and then one here and bring it over. We'll draw a line down and in. And another one, we're going to go down and then in. Come down here and down here. Starting here, we're going to bring this down for the leg. We're going to curve it around and then we're going to come up here. Curve a line here. We'll come over just a bit and then we're going to go up. I'm going to bring this down. I'm going to bring this line down here. Starting here, we're going to bring this down and we're going to curve it around for the knee. Take this line down. And we're going to curve this around for the foot. Now for some details on here, we want to add a little face on here. So we're going to add a little line that's going to come up and down on each side. Then we're going to curve this around back towards the eye. We're going to make a little line down and up. Starting here, we're going to draw two lines that come down. We'll make a little point on each end and then connect them. Make a line that comes up like this, so we're going to go out and up. And we'll do that same thing. Draw a line out on each side. It's kind of like the Spider-Man logo, just a little bit different. And we're going to do a couple more here, just two lines out on each side. Next, we're going to go in, come out here like this, and we're going to make one more that goes right down the leg here. We're also going to add a couple curves here, and then a couple curves here. And we're going to make a couple little extra lines on the face. And then we'll add a couple little extra lines on here just for some detail on our anti-venom. Now, once we have anti-venom drawn, then we want to come in here and draw Silver the Hedgehog. So I'm going to start right over here and we're going to begin with the face. So we want to start by drawing a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to go back like this. And we'll make another one that's going to go down and then back like this. We're going to curve this up for the eye, and then we're going to curve this one around for the eye. We'll draw a line down, and then one here. And we're going to make a little line inside each one. We're going to make a line that's going to come out, and then we're going to curve it back. And we'll draw a little black dot on here for the nose. We'll make a little sad face and a little line right here for the mouth. Next, with this spike, we're going to bring it up, and then we're going to come and bring it down here towards the eye. It kind of flows a little more than the traditional ones. We're going to make a triangle shape here, and then one more here. We're going to draw one that comes up to a point and back. We'll make one that comes up here nice and tall and then down. Draw one up here. And then we want to bring one back here. Then we're going to curve this line up. And we're going to bring this line down. Now for his chest, we're going to make a couple little points here. And we're going to make a line that comes out and down and back up here for like a couple points. We're going to bring this in with a couple points, and we're going to bring it back up here. This looks a little bit furrier. Now, starting here, we're going to bring this line out. We're going to come down and then bring it back here. We'll draw a little point for one of the spikes, and we'll draw this line down. We'll come out and back for the tail, and we'll come down here for the leg. Now these boots are really high, so we're going to go over and then down and come back out and then up. And we're going to curve this line up and bring this line out, down, and then in. I'm going to bring this line down and back. Now, starting here, we're going to make a line that's going to go up and down like an oval. We're going to go out, kind of curve it, and then bring it back. We're going to go down, curve it around here, and then we're going to bring it up and then over. We're going to just kind of follow that same shape around here. Add a curve, and a line's going to go up and then over. And we're just going to put a little line that goes over and then down. Now for this other leg, we're just going to draw a line here. We'll make a line that comes over and up. Make a line that comes down. We're going to curve it around to here. And we're going to make another little line right here. Little curve, and a line that goes over and up. Now for the hands, we're going to continue this line. Go down on each side and then connect it. Right here we're going to go out and in, down and in, just make a couple bumps. We're going to go up to here. Draw a little line and then a little line here. Right here, we're going to make a little line, kind of like a rectangle shape. For the thumb, we go up, over, curve it, and then bring it down. We just went up, over, curved it, and then bring it down. We're going to make one finger right here. We're going to make one here, and then one right here that we connect with a little line. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a long line that's going to come down and then back. Come up, and we're going to go down and then back here. And then right here by the eye, let's add an extra little line right there. Now, to start off with the MUTO, we're going to put the MUTO right back here. I'm going to begin here by drawing a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to bring it way back here. We're going to make a line that's going to go down, it's going to go over, and then up. And we're going to add a couple little lines right around the eyes. Then starting up here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out, and then we're going to come down to a point. It's going to kind of have to go behind anti-venom, and then we're going to bring it up here. Next, I'm going to bring this down right towards silver. Then I'm going to bring this out here. We're going to come up to a point and then curve it around. Make another small one here, and another big point here. Then we're going to draw a line down. We're going to make a couple little bumps here. And then a couple more little lines that go down and then up here. And we're going to bring it to here. Now I'm going to add some sharp teeth in here. And then a couple more little teeth down here too. I'm going to bring the line up here. I'm going to curve up and then in. We're going to add a few more teeth around here, and a couple more on this side too. A couple little extra lines right there. And a long line's going to come down here and back for the tongue. A little line across. Draw a line here and here. With a couple more little extra lines right there. Next, we're going to start right here by Silver. We're going to bring this line out, and then we're going to come up. Bring a couple more little lines, and then we're just going to bring this down here. Bring this line out and then down. I'm going to bring this line down, and then we're going to bring it all the way back here. Continue this line back here too. We're going to add a couple lines here, and a couple more coming right back here along the MUTO. Add a couple little broken lines here, and a couple more over here too, just to give them a little bit of detail. And there you go, there is your drawing of Antivenom, Silver the Hedgehog, and the MUTO. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.